This is a broken GeForce4 Ti4600. These three caps are clearly bulging and need replacing. This broken GeForce4 MX420 has exact replacements that look to be in good shape. So today we're going to attempt to fix this Ti4600. This is Pixel Pipes. Alright, so we got this old solder remover. We're going to attempt to, first of all, take the bad caps off of this. We're going to make sure that the polarity is actually marked as well. If not, I might have to snap some pictures. Studying the placement of the caps, I noticed that the negative side is always on the side on the board that is not marked in white. So you can see under the cap, there's a little bit of white screening on one side, and the other side is doesn't have that screening, so that side without the white is the negative side on each and every one of these caps that I've seen. So I just got to remember that, and all will be fine. The first one that I have to remove is unfortunately under this sticker, and so I'm going to have to avoid the warranty on this one. There we are, just got to clean the area with some alcohol. Alright, so real quick, before I get any further, I'd like to just show you what happens, or doesn't happen, when I put the card in and attempt to turn on the system. Yeah. It's running in some really bad 8-bit color mode. There's glitches all over the place. A lot of times it won't even turn on at all. Yeah, and here we are just sitting in the BIOS. It's a total mess. So we'll see what happens when I replace those caps. Alright, so let's get the first one off of here. We're going to start with this guy. Alright, not the easiest thing in the world with this equipment, but I did manage to get it off. Alright, and that is all three of the caps removed. Alright, next we need to take the caps off of here that we need. These are all the exact same rating. And it's kind of interesting, the ones that failed on the 4600 were all the same ones, but these look to be slightly different, probably a different manufacturer, not sure. But they have the same rating, so we're going to go ahead and take these off. Alright, now I've got three capacitors liberated from the donor card. Here they are, and, whoa, don't go anywhere. Yeah, they look pretty good. I wish you could see them. There they are. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and put these on this guy. Negative side on the blank side of the board. We're going to cap that off with a little bit of solder, and then move on to the next one. Alright, 1, 2, 3, all three caps are in just like that, and now we'll see if it makes any difference. Oh, absolutely no difference. So yeah, obviously this didn't change anything. I mean, the card looks nicer, at least it's got good, you know, caps, at least visually. They look good. And basically this is kind of the end of that as far as what I can do for now. But I will continue this next time when I get a rework station and can attempt to do a reflow on the GPU. So I will return, and so will this card, for another attempt sometime in the future. I have a bunch of cards that I want to try to revive using the reflow method. So until then, that's going to be it for now. Thanks for watching, and this has been Pixel Pipes.